2017 Hyundai Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, rear defrost, power windows, trip computer, MP3 player, CD player, bucket seats, power door locks, passenger airbag, child safety locks, satellite radio, brake assist. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.